speed up or boost your website uh, for your speed optimization, like Google page speed optimization or GD Matrix or stuff like that. So guys, let's get started. First of all, you have to install a plugin. Just go to plugins, add new. Okay, the best plugin that I will recommend to my users is W3TC. It's W3 Total Cache. This is the most complete plugin with all the necessary options available in it on the internet right now for the WordPress, basically. Obviously, the this plugin has been developed by Bold Grid. Just make sure you will download the right one with 1+ million users installations. So I'm gonna click on install. It'll take some time depending on your hosting and installing. So let me wait for this. Just once it's done, just click on activate. Okay, once you have done the activation, just go to performance, general settings. In general settings, just first of all enable page cache. Just leave it this enhanced. Enable minify as well. It asks you, do you really understand what you're doing? Yeah, I can understand the risk because there were risks when you compress your CSS and JavaScript, because there are heavy chances for JavaScript to get some kind of JS errors like JavaScript loading jQuery or something, stuff like that. Okay, open code not available. Database cache, just enable it. Object cache, just enable this one as well. So just leave the CDN thing for now, because in basic performance you just don't need CDN. Because proxy lazy loading is important. Just click on saving. This one is just basic. It's very basic. That will improve your performance of your website, but it will not gonna hurt anything. Just it's like errors, JavaScript errors, CSS errors, or something like that. Okay, now let me open the home page of my website and check it out. Does it look faster or not? Yeah, it's looking pretty faster than the normal one, and everything is working. Just check it out. One thing you have to make sure after doing the performance stuff, that your sliders or the JavaScript will not break down. Or okay, first of all, just you have to check the console for JavaScript, any kind of JavaScript errors. Okay, I got one, but I think this is not related with that. Okay, I'm fine here. So my site is also loading fast, and here I am. Here are the very basic steps that I have done in order to improve the performance of any website. If you want it more deeply, then you have to minify each and everything separately, and there are a lot of more stuffs. But basic, this one is go for basic purpose. It'll improve the site performance.